Hi, my name is Bill Hempel. I'm a senior RPIC for Mission Go West, and today I'm going to explain what a functional check flight is with the Mavic 2 Pro. So, a Mavic 2 Pro, every morning we have to do the functional check flight every day to verify the controls of the aircraft are working properly before we begin each day's task. So simply, we're going to do a climb, check forward, backwards, left, right, yaw left, yaw right, climb and descend to complete the functional check flight. Alright, so today we're going to have a demonstration of what is expected of you as a potential new hire for Mission Go West. And we're going to have you fly the Mavic 2 Pro, and we're going to have you do some maneuvers to demonstrate your skill set to us. Some of those maneuvers will be performing a figure eight around two cones that we'll have set up. The first type of figure eight will be a forward flight, meaning that the camera or the gimbal will always be pointing forward for the flight path, and you do a coordinated forward flight around two cones. You'll do two complete laps moving with forward flight. There should not be any straight lines. It should be all a coordinated turn all the way around 360 degrees around both cones. I'll demonstrate that for you now.